Hey beautiful people, yeah, good morning, namaskar, and welcome to the morning, great morning. First of all, I like to wish that you'll have a very nice day today, enthusiastic day, and I will wish to the Lord that you get into the prosperity, abundance, financial success, enthusiasm, and happiness in your life. You can see here a lot of people are playing here in the ground, badminton, the greenery what is been seen here, and you can also see the very nice enjoyment. People are on the walk track. I came here very early, and it's nice. Not it is early due to cold and all. Some of the thing is that we arrived here on the time we can say. थोड़ा कैसा है कि एडजस्टमेंट है, जैसा हो रहा है वैसा कर रहे हैं. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं ना, बिकॉज व्हेन वी आर प्लानिंग फॉर पर्टिकुलरली चेंज एंड ऑल, इट रिक्वायर्ड सम टाइम एंड ऑल. सो दॅट इज द रिझन. या देख सकते तो तुम्ही बघू शकता, इथं सगळे छान वातावरणामध्ये लोक येतात उद्यानामध्ये आणि आपापलं चांगल्या पद्धतीने शारीरिक सुडोलता आणण्यासाठी व शारीरिक निगा चांगली राखण्यासाठी व्यायाम हा अत्यावश्यक आहे. आणि त्या दृष्टिकोनातून प्रत्येकजण हा प्रयत्न करतो स्वतःला फिट ठेवण्यासाठी. हेल्दी फिट, ब्युटिफुल थिंग इज दॅट. आणि एक ॲडव्हान्टेज आहे, देर आर गुड सॉंग्स ऑल्सो. हिंदी में सॉंग्स, मराठी में सॉंग्स आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये मराठीमध्ये सॉंग्स पण रुनू जुनू रे भ्रमरा मराठी song, and Lata Mangeshkar actually voice is very sweet, really inspired with the voice of Lata Mangeshkar. So I would like to just greet here first of all and say thank you to all, particularly for giving me an opportunity. You are listening to me on this talk in the morning. I am here on the walk, just for the walk, yeah. And you can see here lot many things. देख सकते हैं आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से सब कुछ चीज़ देख रहे हैं, जैसे घूम रहे हैं. बहुत हरे भरे पेड़. एज पर द थिंग्स आर कंसर्न इन आवर सिटी से दे ऐसा है कि थोड़ा मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ट्रीज शुड बी हैपनिंग. लाइक मैनेजमेंट इज व्हाट? मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट कटिंग ऑफ द ट्रीज, नॉट अ थिंग. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ ट्री इज समथिंग मैनेजिंग द ट्री इन अ राइट फैशन. Okay, what I feel actually all together, okay, everywhere. You can see now what is here. See there is actually having lot of good things about the particularly cow area and all, and you can see the feeding of cow is also going on. Okay, त्याला म्हणू शकतो आपण गाईला चारा देणं चाललंय. there is a temple and गाईला चारा ज्यावेळेस देत आहेत एक आपल्या दृष्टिकोनातून असं आहे की एक सामाजिक बांधिलकी म्हणू शकतो की जे मुके जनावर आहेत त्यांच्याविषयी हे प्रेम आहे. आज कुत्रा असू द्या किंवा गाय असू द्या, कबूतर असू द्या, पक्षी असू द्या, जे काही आहेत हे एक एन्व्हायरमेंटचा एक भाग आहे. आपण असं म्हणू शकत नाही जीवनामध्ये की आपणच सर्व काही केलं जीवनामध्ये. दॅर इज लॉट ऑफ कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ लॉट मेनी पीपल, लॉट ऑफ हँड्स आर देअर अँड हू हॅज हेल्प अस नॉट ओनली दिस लाईफ बट प्रिव्हियस लाईफ ऑल्सो. म्हणजे की मागच्या जन्मी आपल्याला काहीतरी मदत मिळाली त्यामुळे ह्या जन्मी आपण आहोत, असं माझं मत आहे. की मागच्या जन्मी जे कर्म झाले त्या दरम्यान या जन्मी जे कर्म होतील त्याची जबाबदारी पुढच्या जन्मी असणार आता. आणि जे काही आज आहे ते आहे कन्वर्जन त्याचं उद्या होणार. सो दॅट इज द रिझन ॲक्च्युली टुडे इज द बेस्ट डे. वॉट एव्हर यू कॅन डू द गुड डीड्स अँड ऑल. आय कॅन अंडरस्टँड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देअर. प्रपंच आहे, तुम्हाला काही बऱ्याच गोष्टी आहेत, तुमच्या स्वतःच्या हॉबीज जपणं हे चॅलेंज आहे. तुम्हाला वैयक्तिकरित्या फ्रीडम नसतो जीवनामध्ये आनंदी करायला. अनेक जबाबदारींग्रस्त झाला असतो आणि जबाबदारी नाही केला तर स्टँडर्ड आपलं कमी होईल. ओके, जबाबदारी नाही केलं तर स्टँडर्ड कमी होईल. कारण देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वी आर हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी लिमिटेड सोर्स ऑफ टाईम. 1440 मिनिटांमध्ये काय काय करणार ॲक्टिव्हिटीज नाही असा विषय येतो. पण तसंच बिल गेटलाही 1440 मिनटं मिळाली, वॉरेन बफेलाही मिळाली. दे हॅव क्रिएटेड देअर फायनान्शियल अँड देन दे हॅव वेंट. दे हॅव अ कॅपॅसिटी टू रोम थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड. ओके, फॉर 4 months 5 months. क्यों है इतना है? अरे जमाया उन्होंने डेडिकेशन किया है. उन्होंने डिसीजंस लिए वैसे और उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है। हमने क्या किया है, हमने बहुत सा समय हमारा जो है बहुत से समय में डिवाइडेड कर दिया हमने। और इतना भी कमर्शियल हो के कोई मतलब नहीं है ना ज़िंदगी में। हर समय में पैसे के पीछे भागना नहीं, हर समय में यू शुड बी ए गुड ह्यूमन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड इफ यू आर ए गुड ह्यूमन देन दैट्स फाइन, ओके, देन यू आर मेकिंग सर्टन थिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोशल लेवल पीपल ऑल ह्यूमैनिटी। सब कुछ हमारा ही नहीं हो सकता है ना, सब ये भी हमारा, वो भी हमारा, ये भी हमारा, हे आमचं ते आमचं, सगळं आमचंच राज्य सगळीकडे आणि आमच्याच सगळ्या गोष्टी पाहिजे आम्हाला, असा एवढा जर स्वार्थ असेल, नॉट दी सिटी विल नॉट दी पर्टिक्युलर दी होम विल गेट प्रोग्रेस, नॉट दी क्या बोलते दी कॉलोनी विल गेट प्रोग्रेस, नॉर द सोसाइटी और नॉर एक्चुअली द कंट्री, nor the city, nor the country, it will not get progress. All together there will be always, deviation of thoughts and all sort of things. And now here there are people who will evaluate all sort of things. This is wrong, this is right. This is wrong, this is right. Now this is something what? Again the calculations of right wrong will happen. Now this is all wasting the time. First of all, important thing what I feel actually, when you are planning for self-management and leadership, when you are planning for a self-management and then you are planning for your work management, whatever. If you are planning for a self-management, first of all the prime duty is there. And family है, ये है, वो है, सब लोग सभी का देखना है, हाँ, ये है, ते है, सबको ही देखना है, यही है, वो ये बात है. That is true. But first prime duty is towards yourself, to make happiness to yourself. स्वतःला आनंदी होणं अत्यंत आवश्यक आहे लाईफमध्ये, प्रायोरिटी वाईज. स्वतः जर अंतर्मनामधून आनंदी झालात तुम्ही, देन ओनली यू कॅन हेल्प अदर्स टू सपोर्ट देम इन टू सम डिफरेंट एक्चुअली what you call situation. See, in our country, as per India's content, और भारत में देखते हैं बहुत से जगह में I don't have any opposition on all. Okay, माझे विचार असे आहेत की lot of tools are there available with the people. What type of tools? To get into the happiness mode. Some puja, people will do prayer. Prayers, all our international level prayer has been done. अब प्रेयर का प्रकार कोई भी हो सकता है. मंदिर में जा, if he is going on the temple making prayer, okay, or if he is sitting at home also is doing the prayer in the temple, or someone is going in the mosque, prayer they are doing there, someone is going into church, they are praying there. Okay, it's a good thing. Some people will go in actually Buddha Vihar, and they will do also their prayer there. So they people have their own, particularly the religion wise also priority, then principle wise also their priority. Then we also see now, Sikh people are also there who go to the Gurudwara regularly basis. But if we analyze all sort of things, we come to know, ये सब देखते हैं हम हर जगह पे. सभी ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है ना, ये ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि भाई पहले क्या है कि खुद को खुश करने का. अभी इसमें ऐसा है कि हम बोल सकते कि भाई पीपल हु गो फॉर द टेम्पल और दे मेक सम स्पिरिचुअल पूजा. ओके, लॉट मेनी एक्टिविटीज आर डन इन पूजा. ओके, देन यू आर हाउ मच टाइम, देन how much time is been getting generated when the festivals are there to always make happy. But people have made their preference to do in this way. They can do this, their choice. इसमें कुछ बोल नहीं सकते हम. Now some people will not go to anywhere, spiritual places नहीं जाएंगे, कुछ नहीं जाएंगे, but they will devote themselves work and they will support the other organization, other people also, financially or किधर. They are something like that people, personalities. वो भी बहुत अच्छी बात है. दे आर इनडायरेक्टली डूइंग द ह्यूमन वर्क. दे आर ट्राइंग टू केयर फॉर ह्यूमन्स. दे आर एक्चुअली what all the religious books tells us, that particularly we are human being, we are here for not our personal all sort of work, but we are moreover triggered by, Almighty to do all sort of activities. So he directs us indirectly by the way of the thought coming to the mind. And then, as based on the values and all, the person will go ahead and do the deeds. Okay. So this is what in the things are there. Now when we compare the international things with the national level activities also, we'll find certain different things again. Why India is not progress in the, lot many things about talking about the cleanliness, structures, infrastructure, particularly infrastructure or technology, still we are very much behind. अगर इसका हम क्रिटिसिज्म करते हैं तो इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल कौन है? वी आर द सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. सब कोई क्या बोलते हैं उसमें, वन पर्सन कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग एवरीथिंग, नो. सो दैट इज द रीजन एक्चुअली इट इज अ कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑल द नेशन, द कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ ऑल पीपल. नाउ अगेन व्हेन वी टॉक ऑन वर्क पार्ट, इसमें कैसे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं? अगेन देयर आर सर्टेन क्राइटेरियाज, अगेन देयर आर सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट विच आर कमिंग हियर, self priorities are coming, self planning is there. Okay, then again teamworks are there, then groups are there, communities are there, like-minded peoples are there. See, like-minded people, if they are having their own group of people, they will hardly actually invite other people to come there, because it is very critical also to develop actually the outside person and come to the wavelength of that actually, that mindset. ये बहुत चैलेंज का काम है. पीपल डेवलपमेंट, इन पीपल डेवलपमेंट वी अंडरस्टैंड वेरी चैलेंजिंग. वाई? बिकॉज द पर्सन विच इज कमिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंट इन्वायरमेंट, different thinking, different thought process. We find actually some people coming from villages are very enthusiastic. Okay, some people are very devoted, very spiritual. ये सब हो सकता है, क्यों नहीं होगा? Okay, they have created certain. इसमें प्रायोरिटी जो है ना, गोल्स का प्रायोरिटी जो उन्होंने उनका खुद का बना दिया है, दैट इज देयर ओन प्रायोरिटी. दे हैव सेट डाउन. ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी द बिजनेसमैन, एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, कहाँ जाके कितना बड़ा टर्नओवर कर दिया. ओके, पीपल आर मेजरिंग देमसेल्फ विद द मिनट फ्रैक्शन ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. इतना है, 3 minutes इज देयर, सो दिस मनी इज देयर. 5 minutes है पास, से. I understand one thing important. Money is of course important, very much important. Okay. But when it comes to any person's health, life and all, again it will stand on the second paramount. See, you cannot buy the health with the money part. You can only repair your health with the money part. Originally, you want to become particularly happy, you want to become certain more enthusiastic in life. Your eternal things will only, what you call as, motivate you to do that thing. Ultimately, whatever deeds we are doing in day and day, it is counting all together in our life. Only whatever, हम किसको वाइब्रेशन अच्छा देते हैं, चांगला वाइब्रेशन देते हैं, नहीं देते हैं. If we are giving good wishes to others, will count. If we are independently thinking on ourselves, then only it will count. If we are doing some work for anybody selflessly, that is also count. If we are doing the work by self-interest, that will also count. Everything is getting counted. Okay. So जैसा हम सांस लेते हैं वैसा होता है ना, जसा श्वास घेतो आपण त्या पद्धतीने सगळ्या गोष्टी काउंट झाल्यासारख्या. I understand. I have read certain books and all, and I have a hobby of collection of books. I have 1,000 books plus books. I collected management, various philosophies and all. Okay, but how it is important to go into one subject. This is very challenging. One subject, if we read of any book, we consider any English book, literature or any of the subject, no. It is deep down, particularly going into deep actually, lot many things. And the researcher will always come to the certain conclusion that this is not actually the completion of the part. This is what, this is at this moment, it is concluded, or you can see it is like comma for at this moment. Still the extension is what you call as remaining. Why extension is remaining? Because his mindset, his particularly what you got as reach has been stopped there. वही रीज़न है हर जगह पे. If someone is writing book में भी 50 पेज कंप्लीट हो गया, 100 पेज कंप्लीट हो गया, 1000 पेज कंप्लीट हो गया, बट there is no end for anything. It is limitless. And now then person will start actually thinking on this parameter. This why it is happening like this, book writing कर रहे हैं, or when we are doing these things, why it is that rich? Is that what? His limitation and potential has stopped there. Now he will go into the market. In market means what? He will contact with other people. Like, similar, he will try to actually contact other human beings. What is the difference between this and all? How we can go ahead? But the other human being is having a limited zone of activity. He has focused his life towards particularly science method or medical part and all. Does he know anything on the engineering segment? It's very challenging for that person. Everything he cannot answer for that thing. Okay, now when you talk on human resource and values also, does the human, any person who is belonging to the particularly technical side IT, can he deliberate anything on the human resource part? No. He will not. He is having actually limited. Now what he can learn? He can be a good employee. ये अच्छा एम्प्लॉय हम कैसे बन सकते हैं? Successful employee. Now tell me one important thing. The person is recruited in any IT organization. Though he is having a good technological skills. C+ आता है, domain आता है, okay, any Java है, technical knowledge is there. But does the technical knowledge will get sufficient for that person? नहीं आएगा उसको, क्योंकि उतने से उसका रिक्रूटमेंट नहीं होगा. ऐसा होता तो फिर इंडस्ट्री में people are good at technological know-how, still they are isolated, sitting outside. और जो लोगों को नहीं आता है वो अंदर काम कर रहे हैं, ये भी होता है ऐसा. Why this is a difference again? See, there are certain strengths and weaknesses which are available with the people. So altogether we will not, personality traits are there ना. असं या सगळ्या गोष्टी खूप प्रायोरिटीवर असतात. Organization will decide which type of particular material will match which material. So it is a selection of material. So that is the reason actually where the creativity will always apply. Now I can understand and I can have example on all those people who have faced lot of challenges in his life, lot of these things. He become very much strong in compared to the person who has reached actually to the comfort zone and all. सब उसको फैसिलिटीज मिल गया है, सगळ्या गोष्टी प्राप्त झालेल्या आहेत. डेव्हलपमेंट इज सर्टन लिमिटेड. आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एनी अंबानी फॅमिलीज हियर और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, सायन्स सिस्टर. इफ यू कोट दी अंबानी फॅमिली ऑल्सो, धीरूभाई and all these people have started their career with the scratch and all. So we can understand. And then they have leveled out with certain things. And then particularly after leveling all things, they have made actually the organize of that sort of heavy funds and all, and then they have replicated it, sizing the right opportunity. So we cannot ignore actually. इसमें ऐसा है, सभी का एक चॉइस होता है लाइफ में. I want to leave this thing. Now here what is happening in the market usually and what you should not do. There's particularly you are offering a veg to non-veg person. You can see the non-veg person will prefer non-veg only. He will not prefer the veg. And if you are offering a non-veg to the veg person, so he will not preferably. Similar kind of things. There may be some brands of actually wines and all. There is differentiation of wines. Someone is offering something different. If you are offering English, but the person is liking something different, he will not prefer that thing. These are all nowadays actually we can say that is like these are the upgraded needs have been developed actually, and stylish needs have been developed at various country level, international level, and various level. But on the contrary, people are day by day everywhere in the world also, they are trying to lose their own self, their own actually particularly living with the self, we can say, living with our own soul, or having practicing the own soul. So a lot of thinking parameters are going on. People preferences get changed actually, timelines. But I believe one thing important, that all together the people should come together, okay, and they should not actually have the impose particular forcing of certain things to anybody. Okay, they should have actually offers. They should give the choices, preference, this thing. Okay, but we cannot impose the thoughts on every. They should have the freedom to decide whatever they want. तो यही है, ये कर सकते हैं जैसे ना होते हैं. अभी I analyze lot of things. I went to actually various spiritual places. बहुत सारा समझ आता है. We learn certain things. But when we count the time and all, अरे कितना जा रहा है, क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं है ना, क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या नहीं, किधर ये जा रहे हैं, वो जा रहे हैं. And ultimately we reach to some failures of our own personal thing also at some level. See, Lord is there or God is there, anybody, He will help you, provided that you should become a good human being. And for a good human being, maybe there are practices are there, first of all, and everywhere all together in the religious things will always understand one important thing. Every religion will actually give a practice of becoming a good human, first of all. So now for that thing, you have to settle down certain things, and you have to have a reasonable practices also in life, what I feel. Particularly, I feel that people criticize someone. ये बोलते हैं अरे वो नहीं कर रहे. Suppose for example some religious is demanding particularly activity like puja and all. Puja is a very nice thing. Okay, for people who are on particularly Hindu, they will practice the puja and all. Now, but when I come to actually the people who are of other community also, like Christian and all, what they will tell, my work is worship. Means you now this thing, how this is very nice, means people have looked down actually. We see that other people's like other things also, various religions practices are there, but also when you come close to all other, there may be philosophical differences with religious conflicts and all. ये ऐसा है, वो ऐसा है, ये है, this is Hindu, this is Mohammedan. But no, really, even everywhere we see we have to buy actually good things with every religion actually. We observe actually with lot many people, in the Muslim also there is a good love. Good love, they are having good love towards humanity. They want priority on love. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, you find out the Christianity, they will always keep still that you should Jesus has told about loving part. And they talk about the Hindus also. They will also have the premium सब कुछ है, प्रेमानी सगळ्या गोष्टी है, हो ना. And also about when learn about the ethics of Buddha principle and all, he also teaches actually love about that we should have the things. But how the distractions, how things are getting ahead, okay, how the things are mental distractions will happen, or disturbances will get created. This is again one thing important. This is not been created by common people. It can be actually happened due to the particularly conflict of that particularly person to make certain decision on basis of his learning, whatever he has stopped here and he has concluded the things, and then he want to do the activity in that particular manner, the pattern of activity what he loves, he is trying that way. Okay, so this is what actually the life is supposed to having the teachings. But what I feel that if you have actually the timelines, अभी इसमें ऐसा है we see actually the management part. What a management part? Time management. Oh, 24 hours. ये काम नहीं हो. Phone reach, you have to do this. Oh, this. What a itna phone, utna. When you work in corporate, this is the pressure. Oh, this is what I have to do. This is what. We actually in the corporates or any private sector and multinational also, crippling has been happened here of a human being. Okay. What is it? The person is crippling by his mind. Why? Because he cannot be dealing with the precious, very similar kind of things. When we go to the village side, shant, खूप शांत बात. Sure? Why? Values are being attached. But we cannot get progression here. When we are there in the village, why? Because our choices are being developed in certain different way. So here nowadays actually, cultural and in the national international level, also village creations has been happening. So that is actually the growth. Means you can see any construction site or any lot of things, lot of good things of nature they have incorporated there, including temple. But now again there is deviation. Okay, differentiation. Some people will actually go for Krishna consciousness. Some people will go for anything. Likewise, there are such a religion differentiation is there, and altogether some level has been reached by some people. There may be arising actually. They have a time to focus more on that area, so they will lead to the conflicts. Maybe the conflict will get groupings may have. This is all particularly not good things wherever life is concerned. You should work towards creation of good things in life. What I feel, लाइफ में क्रिएटिविटी रहना चाहिए. ओके भाई, आपके पास साधन है, संपत्ति है, पैसा है, सब है. ओके, यू हैव लॉट मेनी थिंग्स, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट you want to get into the leadership. No problem, go ahead, do good leadership, no problem at all. But what is the best, how the best leader practice will happen? Best leader practice is only happen, what I feel that, and he will be loved by actually at national, international parameter levels. Okay, how he has disposed the good qualities for transforming the person, how he has added the value in the person, not to particularly satisfy his own self ego and to create again that I have win for the things. That is not a right way, what I feel. Okay, winning altogether again in our own life is also again getting actually the particularly also expectation raising. ये हो गया वो करना है, वो हो गया वो. Winning is also there, then there is also good thing. Progression happens, one reach to the another layer. But all things we are putting ourselves in our pocket, so that will not serve the purpose. We go and collect actually lot many things of books also, materialistic world and all sort of, वो भी सब जमा कर दिया हमने. तो क्या करेंगे हम? What we will do? Tell me one thing, in 24 hours, are you going to read any book? How much time is there? Because deviation and distractions are there again. Technology, lot of avenues are available right now. WhatsApp, mobiles, computers, all these things. But what is about the quality life? Quality life has been totally actually lost. People try to research the quality life. So for creating a good quality life and giving a good example, first of all we should visit international places. We should visit everywhere. We try to actually understand, observe all sort of valuable things. Try to contribute to any nation we go, or anything we go in the world, or any places we go. We should actually try to give some innovative contribution. Now when there is things about the receiving contribution or taking certain good things, giving the good thing as well. In the market, we can see that there is certain thing different attached by a person when he is giving certain things. If he gives money, he will feel something different in that giving the things, because he has solved the problem of that person. Something he has the values and he will do in this way. If someone is having something different things, well, I have given these things to that person. Now, what I feel that when you are contributing the world selflessly, and forgetting whatever deed you have done in the life. I think that is good for all together. In spite of, giving into the accountancy what I have given, what is the calculation and what I have given, again the things will come out. Itna diya, itna nahi mila. Okay. Then again the horticulture this is going into the day in and day out into the businesses. Itna lagaya, utna mila. Now this activity will happen. So this will again lead to our conflict of interest in our mind. Okay. So that is the reason what I feel actually. First of all, importantly, that all the programs should be squeezed to certain level. First of all, a person should go for his own personal evaluation. There will be a lot of time for his personal evaluation. But he need to think, maybe he practice any sort of, yoga practice, meditation, any sort of, he want to go with any kind of spiritual places he go. Someone loves nature like me and all. Someone likes to meditating, some want to do any activity. And my request is that, you should try to observe all things, but select certain few things in your life. For working on it, because working is also not simple. Now thinking people don't have work and all, people will see to others what he's doing. Minutely they will observe impact on that. What is his role to do? इसको क्या जरूरत है, किसका क्या चल रहा है इतना जानने की. याला म्हणतो आपण कुतूहल म्हणावं का काय जे काय आहे मनापासून वाटत असेल ठीक आहे, त्याला हेल्प करायची इच्छा असेल, कोणाला काही असेल नसेल सुद्धा, किंवा एंटरटेन व्हायचं असेल स्वतःला, तो बघणार मायन्यूटली त्या व्यक्तीला, है ना. पण ह्या सर्व गोष्टी ज्या आहेत, ऑब्झर्वेशन, नॉट ओनली वन पर्सन, थाउजंड ऑफ पीपल विल हॅव ऑब्झर्वेशन ऑन वन पर्सन. व्हॉट दी पर्सन, इफ नाउ हाऊ इट विल हॅपन, if someone is getting toward the leadership role, someone has made certain different type of thinking in the world, he becomes something person who is been focused more by others, that now see how he is doing the things. We have to observe. Some people will like his activities in the past, based on that they will support. Some people will not have conflict values, they will leave. But altogether people will always have observation minutely. अरे भाई कितना कौन सा कलर का कपड़ा पहना है, ये क्या है, वो अरे ये हमारा है, वो हमारा है, ये जी कलर घेतला है, त्यांनी काय है, ये टोपी पहना है, ये है, ओके, he has wore the jeans, he has wore the shoe, he is walking, he is talking, particularly, okay, he is trying to give more speech. Now all these things will also not be tolerable actually with everybody in the world, because everybody is having their own opinions. They are being guided by own values, no. So we cannot tell them that you have certain things, that why you are trying to things, और किस के पीछे लगोगे आप, और कोणाचे याच्यावर, है ना. So people will have their values. A spiritual person will have this his expectation that this person is belonging to our this thing community religion, he should practice these things. इतना करना ही होना उसने, नहीं कैसे करते हैं, ऐसे नहीं कर रहे थे. Opposite person will, why you are disturbing him, he is doing his own personal work, he want to excel as good things. Second person is having this type of opinion. What your discipline is saying actually, the bureaucrats and all. Now what is the policy which is going on as the further things are there. So altogether when the policy things are concerned, cultural things will be there, values things will be there. Then on a contrary actually, person's own wishes will be there. But what I feel actually, you should give an opportunity to every person in the world who come across to do his own certain things, whatever you want to create and contribute to the world in the life. If you are supporting that person and then the progress of this person will get arise, and he may contribute and create certain good work. And if the personality, you can actually promote the person to have actually the selfless, no problem, you create the world but you become a selfless, that is also good thing. That vibration things you should bring all together. Okay, you should help a general person also. Whatever if you feel that actually someone is actually want need in about the food and all, you should give the. Someone is having some need of certain things, you should actually share if you are having substantial things. But sticking certain things with that giving should not there. What I feel, देते समय आपके मन में हिजक और झिझक नहीं होना चाहिए कोई चीज़ का, है ना. You should be happy to feel that something has been, Lord has directed me to do some good things to some another person, selfless things. And the person who is receiving the things, he should have always gratitude, what I feel. धन्यवाद और थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, ये बोलना ज़रूरी है और अंदर से फीलिंग होना ज़रूरी है कि दिस इज जेंटलमैन who has not been actually any relation or he has helped me. See, relation only people, family और जो हमारे near and dear blood relations people, they are only not our actually people who are in the world. Lot many things are in the world. Lot many people are there in world. Human beings, all together we find human beings. Irrespective to any caste, creed, कोई भी कास्ट है, क्रीड है, कोई भी है, आखिर में सोल है ना, इज आत्मा, सोल टीचिंग्स. ओके, नाउ if you understand in this parameter all together, I think that we are trying to progress our own values and we are trying to cooperate in that thing. So everywhere you should have the similar kind of actual nature, but this is not acceptable in a old mind, particularly people who are having superstitions के बारे में बात करते हैं. There are black magic practices. I really have a particularly negative attitude and I really oppose all these practices of black magic, short term, the jadoo tona and all sort of these practices which happens, because here ना एक है बाप, दूसरा सवा शेर बाप बैठे हुआ उसका, ऐसा चलते रहता मार्केट में. कैसा रहता है कि आई एम हियर गुड इन पर्टिकुलरली प्लेइंग वन बैटिंग गुड फॉर 100 सेंचुरी, the second will show that yes I am there for 200 century. Ultimately means वो भी मार्केट कुछ और ही है, ये ब्लैक मैजिक प्रैक्टिसेस एंड बहुत बड़े बड़े बिजनेस सबने बना लिए. ऑल टुगेदर व्हेन वी टी ऑल्सो एवरीवेयर बिजनेस इज गोइंग ऑन. इधर एनी स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस में जाते हैं तो वहाँ भी देखते हैं बिजनेस बना रहे हैं. सबको लग रहा है कि वही आना जरूरी है, सब चीज़ मेरा ही होना चाहिए, मेरा ही सुनना चाहिए, ये सब ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. हो सकता है if they are actually want to develop their policy in that pattern, they want to develop the community in that way, उनका choice है. लेकिन all together it will be acceptable universal जगह पे the truth is there, that will be only acceptable by universal people. So always there will be deviation, unsatisfaction about the decisions people will take or the behavior people will do with each others and all. Always there will be conflict. It's not because all the value conflicts part is there. Now this black magic or black practices and all sort of things, I don't know why people bother self-interest and selfishness, they do this type of practices. They block the people's energies, they block the people's actually, certainly their freedoms. Why? What is the reason here? Why you are doing all these activities? What the person should always analyze, is he practicing actually or is he doing the activity not against God, not against Lord? Has the Lord taught us to do all these things, practices of all things? Any religion will not teach that for your selfishness you should do these activities. No religion will tell. What I believe. कहाँ भी जाओ, आपका सादगी है, simple है, okay, all things are there. This is always going to be actually appreciated here. Now when we come to the development, a lot of developments are there, such like a human potential development, human development is there. So these all things will happen when human development and human practices are there. All together actually people will, if something is going into the progress, he may face more challenges in life. and go ahead. But now when going to the particular challenges and all, while handling the challenges and he surpassed the challenges, the person should not have, he should feel confident. He should love the confidence that he has been one instead, but he should not create an ego. He should not create our super ego that this thing has been achievement, has been this thing, and what you call it as this is what it's the best part that मैं अभी सबका बाप बन गया हूँ, है ना? ये एटीट्यूड नहीं होना चाहिए. So you should not have that sort of name. सगळ्यांवरती सर्वश्रेष्ठ झालो ना. So because this will be again creating a darkness in his life. His progress will get stopped here. What I will. So always I think that we should learn from the nature. आज तक मैंने देखा है कि भाई has the सूर्य what you call as sun we see, that is he expects anything from us. Without any expectation in the morning he will raise and he will give the particular energy to the human being. Unless 5 days if he is on the holiday, what the human being will do? They will start actually particularly crying certain things. The darkness will happen in there. Okay, because human limits are very at a lower end in compared to nature and this thing, what I believe. We see the trees when they are getting on a larger end, actually big on the size and all, growing and all. Has we see anything that we are implanting any water to the trees? No. He tried to take from the ground level, but the trees will not actually stop by giving shadow or giving oxygens and all. Such a beautiful thing is there, no? So will not actually that sort of things. So these are all water, flow of water, है ना? नीला पानी देखते हैं हम जैसे घूम रहा है मस्त बहुत बढ़िया. झील देखते हैं जैसे endlessly. When we see the water, we'll feel a immense satisfaction, no? Why? पाण्याकडे गेल्यावर एकदम शांत वाटतं है ना. Why? People will feel somehow. People will also. The flow of water is always there. There are lot many things are there, but the flow of water will go. And now when I have went to the Kashmir, Pelgam and all, there is actually lot of good flow of water. We saw actually they tell us actually at that place, there is some Ayurvedic, particularly these things, Jadi Butti and all in Himalayas, that is also coming in water, and if you collect the water, it will is really good thing. So now when we talk on the actually any particular plantations or any things in our actually particularly any nature like Himalaya and all sort of things, we've seen that who have done all this thing, now it is supporting endlessly, So this is what I think, what I feel that we should have that sort of attitude. We should actually measure our timeliness. We should have quality life. What I feel, always there is a conflict. Now when we join any other community, or for example if you learn some yogic meditation, if you learn certain thing anywhere, if you go into some actually sports community, if you go into an exercise, anywhere you are going, reasonable thing is there, if you are attached for your own learning or something, but people will always have that sort of expectation that here you come here, go deep and deep, but what I analyze actually, it is not a very actually our 100 years will also be less when we go in deep with all things. सबको समझना है, सब कुछ चीज़ जानना है, बहुत सारे चीज़ इतना है. हमने क्या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लिया है कि हर चीज़ के लिए इतना जाने में, घुसने के लिए उसमें अंदर डीप में, और वो करना क्या है आखिरी में? Because what I have learned actually from the medical thing or anything, every effect is having, you do effect, there is a side effect, is there? See, side effects are expected for anything. Any activity doing, the side effects are there. But we have to see that, calculate the side effects. Are we okay? Then only do. Some people practice day in and day out, go for the activity for exercise. building all the things. It's good. If their goal is to go and reach into the matches and all, that's fine, fantastic. They should do it. Some people go for meditation. Then competition again. ये इतना देर बैठा, वो उतना देर बैठा, ये इतना ऐसा. Then ultimately, some people will do all activities and they will leave their actually stress level. चिड़चिड़ा बन जाएगा, टेम्परामेंट खत्म हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा. So what I feel actually, again everything you are doing for trying to actually manage your mind in happily. आपको खुद को आनंदी रखने के लिए, सगळ्या स्वतःला आनंदी ठेवण्यासाठी तुम्ही करताय और you are doing for your own particularly betterment. No, do it. Not at all. But you have to also evaluate that what are the repercussions. Now people have created certain temples, people have created certain things. What are their expectation come daily for that? If working people is not going there, he want to pray at home, he will do the prayer. Why it is necessary to go for the thing? It is going good. It is always good to go to the spiritual places. You may get the, but ultimately, what are your expectations? But I believe that you go selflessly towards the Lord and God also. And you should not ask Him anything. You should only accept His vibration and spiritual statue that yes, you have created lot of history in this universe and all, and really we are inspired for that. And really we feel that we come into your vibration. हम आपके सहवास में आएंगे तो किस वजह से, तो कि भाई मान के चलते कि कहीं हमको ज़रूरत गिरती है शक्ति की, तो ये आपके लिए काम में आएगी. ये थिंकिंग सिर्फ होना चाहिए. आपने मांगना नहीं चाहिए कुछ जाके लॉर्ड के पास, आपने देना चाहिए जो देना है आपको, वो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन कम करके. हम जा रहे हैं भाई किसके लिए, इसके लिए जा रहे हैं, और पीपल विल कैलकुलेट इन दैट वे. इसके लिए आए हैं, उसके लिए आए, इसका है, मतलब वेयर देयर बिजनेस अगेन स्टार्टेड है. कोई भी चीज़ में जाते हैं, हाँ ये इसके लिए आए, वो उसके लिए. अरे यार, everyone is give and take policies there. But why I will tell that why you are raising unnecessary voices, unnecessarily expectations, or why you want to become that person should behave in that pattern like you also. Because our 4-5 fingers are not similar, our family people are not similar, like any social organization, society is not similar. Like we everywhere in the world, no one is similar. Like duplication, replication. In leadership, people will keep mentors, and mentors will be there. What will happen there? Somewhere that actually the person will cross the mentors. The conflict will happen. He is out of system. He is losing the financial things. So why? Now where we can see that? Here he is getting a lesson. That the mentor is trying to tell that he is superior, particularly. You are not coming to the expectations. Since you are having these examinations, you have to cross and then only you will go to this. Now ultimately this is the world of actually competition and all together. Everyone want to progress, all things. But what I feel that as I have decided actually to contribute to the world in a selfless manner, give good happiness, creation, whatever possible from my end. People may like, not like. People have differences of opinion with them. Okay, we will have a good company. You should have similar kind of thinking. You should contribute, create a vibration. What you can do, that's all. In and day out में हम आज की तारीख में इतना बिजी हो गए कि 10 मिनट बात भी नहीं कर सकते अच्छे से किसको. लाफिंग तो भूल ही गए हैं, है ना. वी कैन नॉट लाफ वेरी एक्चुअली प्योरली और विदाउट एन एक्सपेक्टेशन. नाउ लाफिंग क्लब्स आर देयर. जोर जोर से हंसना है, प्रमोट करता है. वाई? वी हैव कलेक्टेड लॉट मेनी मटेरियल इन आवर वर्ल्ड. ओके, एंड वी आर अंडर बॉदरेशन दैट वेदर इस वर्ल्ड में हमारे चले जाएगा तो कैसा होगा. कल की चिंता है आज सता रही हमें, और उस वजह से हमारा आज का वर्तमान खराब कर रहा है. हमारे माता जी बोलते कि दिस इज वर्तमान हेच करा आहे तुमचं, प्रेझेंट जे आहे ते. दॅट्स ट्रू. वॉट एव्हर यू आर डुईंग इन द प्रेझेंट थिंग ओनली, that thing is that actually that is the moment what you have to do. That's all. who has seen a future and why to crippled on the past? पुराना निकाल के उसको बोलते गधे बुढ़े उखाड़ के सब चीज करके ना. Again you are unnecessarily focusing on the time towards that all things. People do things as their own priority basis. Or if you are taking very actually personally all things, this is an activity which are going in the world. We should not take anything priority. What we can give good to the world, हम क्या अच्छा कर सकते, देख सकते, कितना कर सकते, उतना ही करना चाहिए. What I feel, ऐसा मला वाटतं है ना. So this is what my contribution for the day. I wish all together a very happy, positive day, financial success, very loving day to you, your actually family, all together who are into your connections. You spread love, you enjoy, you contribute to the world, okay? And I will always help you with great health, wealth, financial abundance, prosperity. And I believe that you should try to practice and day, every day in your life, that how many hours you are happy. I think this is one of the formula what I am trying to discover. Now from this calculation you happy. मैं 1 घंटा खुश हो गया आज के दिन में. What activity you have done for that 1 hour of happiness? You do whatever. You are seeing movie, it's okay. You are visiting spiritual. End result में क्या है? What counting है आपके पास? People go for the working, for the all sake of the responsibility, all these things. They go in inside, outside, go in the, lot of stress they are carried there. Workplace also stress is there. They are, deliberately, सब घर का उधर निकालते हैं जाके. They are not happy at workplace. फिर घर पे आने के बाद ऑफिस का पूरा टेंशन रहता है. वो नहीं हुआ, ये नहीं हुआ. Means they are exchanging here and there material. Every 2 segments are different. So we understand actually the roles, responsibility, Again in relationships also. You do not actually be actually also selfless with self-interest in that way. If you are contributing to the world and the world is just taking, want to receiving, okay. Nobody wants actually your this thing, anything, but you are giving. That is also wrong. What I feel. ज़्यादा देखिए क्या किसको ज़रूरत नहीं है वो चीज़ की, बिलाओ जी आप दे रहे हो तो क्या होगा, ओवरफ्लो हो जाएगा वो. अरे वो बोल रहे हमारे पास बहुत है यार, आप क्यों आप आपका खुद का सुधारो, है ना. तुम्ही तुमचं स्वतःचं बघा जरा आधी काय नाही तुमच्या या गोष्टी. सी दिस इज व्हॉट ॲक्च्युअली द इगो इज देअर. सो ऑल टुगेदर यू ट्राय. नाउ वेन देर इज अगेन द पीपल विल बी अ सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स. You try to give education, he is trying to give you education. And there is a competition of giving. Well, ये मेरा ऐसा है, नहीं ये ऐसा ही होता है, वैसा ही होता है. I think that why you are getting into the quarrel with the person. But what is the use of that, सिद्ध और जिद करने की उसके सामने कि भाई ये बताओ ये माझंच कर आहे, ये आहे, हे सगळं बरोबर आहे, असं आहे, असं. Pattern why you are giving? You should tell one person, like I tell family also this thing. You see, you are having a potential, you are confident on your own values, discover certain things on your own, on your way, by your way. What I believe that in the world, everyone is contributing to every human being in some or another way. कुछ ना कुछ contribution होते हुए ये जग चालू शकत नहीं ना. This world cannot move. एवरीवेयर कोई ना कोई. आज हम देखते हैं पीपल सर्वेंट आर देयर हु कैरी ऑल एक्चुअली द गार्बेजेस एंड ऑल. इफ दे आर नॉट टेकिंग द गार्बेजेस, हाउ द सिटी विल गेट क्लीन, नो. सो वी शुड हैव अ ग्रेटिट्यूड. नाउ वी सी दैट एक्चुअली पीपल वर्क सेल्फलेसली इन द स्कूल्स. इफ द ऑल पीपल आर नॉट कीपिंग द क्लीनलीनेस देयर, हाउ द स्कूल चिल्ड्रन विल have that ambience in a positive way, no. So that workman is also quietly important. He is also a human being. So now that is one important thing. What I feel again, everywhere there somewhere else. We take IS officer, we take any hierarchical person also. He is trying to actually doing the serving part. Maybe to the place, city, nation and all together things. So this is what actually particularly the world will always there. Why? The important thing is that we human being particularly are the strangers to each others, but we should have the altogether cooperation activities. Now here you have to assess the right need, particularly when you want to contribute to the world. Like I said, someone getting overflow, क्या है बेच के मत लगे कुछ चीज़ का, हम बिला वजह कुछ शेयर कर रहे हैं कुछ चीज़, उनको कुछ अप्रिसिएशन नहीं, किसको ना किसको चीज़ चाहिए, आप दे रहे आपके हिसाब से, रील लिया उधर से दिया, इससे लिया उसे, आप खुद का देखो, खुद ये करो. But I feel actually working is also very challenging at this place, no? When you accept that this thought is good, for actually Kaizen thought is good for you, I will insist that have you practiced that Kaizen thoughts, and you practice it, and you have made some inference on that, collect the references for that, and the person who is searching for and who has stuck at that level, he can get that things. So this is what some people in the world are doing, and really they are appreciated at doing sensational leaders and all, and transforming leaders and all, you know. But I feel that actually people who are good personalities will always see in happy mood, smiling face. Okay, they are into player activity type of things. खिलाड़ू वृत्ति हम बोलते हैं ना, जैसे they are having actually that they are inviting these players. That's a good thing. Okay, so you should try to search a player particularly of your own mindset. Who is a good player? Like you want to practice badminton, you see that similar kind of values are also matching with the badminton things. You want to play the cricket also, the cricket वैसा ही खेल रहा है वो, है ना. Or if you want to go for the chess also is there. If someone learns singing also, want to go for the singing, उतना ही है, बहुत quality है. I try to learn nowadays. People go on YouTube also, and also वहाँ से देख रहे, वो भी एक shortcut अच्छा हो गया है, ऐसा देखते तो चांगलं झालं है. But altogether, when quality is concerned, lot of devotion and dedication are required to develop certain qualities. We find actually classical singing is one of the best part here in India. Again, classical things are there. How? हम तपस्या का देखते हैं किसका. Okay, we can see now about उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. क्या डिवोशन, क्या शहनाई बजाते हैं ना. So you'll understand actually. तलत महमूद साहब. What actually segment he has for the singing, ये सब बहुत सारा है. Similar kind of thing is that about the cultural practices at international level also. You find actually very defined person in discipline. Britishers were very disciplined people, okay, and English people all together international level are very disciplined and very quality. If you see actually observe the Bill Gates quality, or these people all everywhere who are millionaire is not a very simple thing. They are very ground to the earth, very humble to all the things, I find actually, So real respect towards actually, these are the one of the people in the world who are next to the God itself, We also see the doctors level, okay. Doctors serves, some doctors are there, will always have a quality actually serving the people all together, right? Nature, they will helping and all, and this is problem of things. So this is what actually, now working on our own personality again is a very challenge for us, We have to, lot of people want to give their good in the life. So that is the reason their hardships are also there. They may put their lot of involvement in all sort of things. So good thing, fine, it's very nice thing. But altogether in this what you call as era, what I believe, the collaboration of world should be particularly a qualitative good human being level and good help for the mankind, whatever things are there in life, okay. You should have that sort of minimization of fight or the what you call as the particularly opinion differences. उसको बोलते हैं हम क्लेश, ये सब कम करने का ये सब होना चाहिए. You do any practices, spiritual practices, you do any whatever material you are having, raw material, you carry, search and all, but ultimately what you are disposing is always countable everywhere. So my best wishes to all for the day. I think we should, as per that training this thing, I should not carry this session with 45 minutes above. After 45 minutes the people will start actually losing their interest. Nowadays the losing interest, when you talk on losing interest, कोई 5 मिनट कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर पाता है, कोई 10 मिनट, पूरा नहीं सुनते कोई भी. एंड इफ यू ट्राई टू लिसन सर्टेन थिंग, यू विल फॉरगेट सर्टेन थिंग्स. दिस इज नॉर्मल साइकोलॉजी. So being into the actually you should not cross the 45 minutes. So have a nice day, very bye. Bye.